Time now for First Alert Weather with meteorologist Rob Nucatola.
We'll start on the 24-hour temperature cast. Numbers near 70, probably going to struggle to get to 80 in spots today because we won't have to wait so long to get those showers like we did have to wait in so many spots yesterday when those temperatures made it to the upper 80s. And then overnight tonight, I think we're going to cool off a little bit more as we finally push away this boundary responsible for all the showers. Right now, there's already activity out here to our west from I-10 and north into parts of Alabama and to far southwestern parts of Georgia. Seeing some showers get near Bainbridge, and we'll watch these continue to make some progress towards the east as they lift a little bit north of east. But the whole line, that whole boundary, will eventually get suppressed farther to the south. Once it gets pushed through, now we can talk about a change in wind, and now we can talk about clearing, drying, and cooling, and that should begin tomorrow. It's 64 in Thomasville, which is one of the coolest spots around. Tallahassee and Valdosta at 69. Those dew point numbers up there with the temperatures, which means we got really high humidity. You feel it when you step outside. You see it with some of that fog. And there isn't much of a breeze to help stir things up. 72 in Perry, 70s for Live Oak and for Cross City. Apalachicola is the warm spot at 73. We're at 66 at Bainbridge. We're at 65 degrees at Camilla this morning. Now, it'd be nice to turn that wind around to the northwest and bring in some of that cooler and drier air, but it's not going to happen during the day today. I think this morning, any breeze will help to limit some of that fog. We've got visibilities in many spots that are all sort of bouncing around. In Valdosta, we're down below 1 mile. Out here to the west, we still have some showers, and there's going to be that potential for some stronger ones still. This time of year can never really rule them out. So a little bit of strong wind gusts, maybe some small hail, a possibility as we do and should expect waves of showers and thunderstorms throughout the day and into tonight. Now, it's not going to rain all the time everywhere all day, but I do think you got to plan on getting wet a couple of times out there today. Tomorrow we start to clear and everything looks better once we get past that. Southwest and west winds on the Gulf today from 3 to 12 knots, so not windy, but we got to deal with some of that fog early. Most of us this morning, clouds, some showers. The rain chances go from 60% to 80% or higher this afternoon, so count on getting wet. The warm spots might get to 80 degrees. A lot of us, though, going to stay in the 70s. Tonight, those showers eventually fizzle. We bring in that changing air mass. That's what we're waiting for. Look at Thursday, the good stuff. I think tomorrow turns out to be a pretty nice afternoon, and we're still looking good on Friday. Maybe we find a few showers this weekend. We got some time before we get